What if you could make money using just one tool? No multiple apps, no complicated setup, just Canva. So I decided to test it. I tried making money online using only Canva, and the results were surprising. Most people think you need many tools to make money online. But what if that's wrong? What if one tool is enough? Step 1. Choosing a method. I kept it simple. Design services. Things like social media posts, thumbnails, and basic graphics. All inside Canva. Step 2. Creating sample designs. I used Canva to create simple designs. Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails. Basic but clean. You don't need to be perfect. Just good enough. Step 3. Creating an offer. Next, I made a simple offer. I will design posts using Canva. Clear, beginner friendly. Step 4. Taking action. Now the real test. I started reaching out to people. Small businesses, pages, creators. At first, nothing happened. No replies. And this is where most people quit. Step 5. First response. After some time, I finally got a reply. Someone was interested. That proved something important. Step 6. Final result. So, can you make money using only Canva? Yes, but not instantly. You need consistency, effort, and action. What I learned: you don't need many tools. You need one tool, and the ability to use it properly. Final thoughts. If you want to start simple, use what you already have, and take action. Subscribe for more AI experiments and online income strategies. See you next time.